Here's something you need to know. AI is taking over the business world. Well, it's true. 35% of businesses are already using AI, and another 42% are considering it. It's no surprise why. By 2030, AI is expected to add a whopping $16 trillion to the global GDP. So, it's no secret that the rich are jumping on this AI bandwagon. But how exactly are they using AI to make more money? Let's find out. Hi there. Welcome to Luxio, the place where we motivate and inspire future billionaires like you. In this video, we're going to show you some of the most fascinating ways the wealthy are cashing in on AI. Get ready to have your mind blown. Number 1. Gaming. Some of the best chess and StarCraft 2 players are now AI. OpenAI has a video where AIs compete against each other in hide and seek. After countless replays, both teams got so smart that the researchers didn't even know some of their moves were possible. The gaming industry is utilizing AI to enhance your gaming experience, giving you games like Grand Theft Auto 5, The Last of Us, and Dota 2. Non-playable characters are now more human-like and smarter than ever. They can adapt to a player's style and sense their mistakes. AI is also helping to create more immersive and realistic stories in games. So, are you ready to play? Number 2. Manufacturing. Andrew Ng, a co-founder of Google Brain and Coursera, thinks AI. Andrew Ng, a co-founder of Google Brain and Coursera, thinks AI is gonna revolutionize the manufacturing world. AI will do things like quality control, quicken the design process, cut down on waste and materials, boost production, predict maintenance needs, and more. This is huge news since downtime costs businesses billions each year. Plus, AI can work non-stop 24/7. It's already helped companies, General Motors and Autodesk design better products like a lighter and stronger seat bracket. AI is changing the game for manufacturers, and those who don't jump on board will get left behind. Number 3. Investments and trading. As of the third quarter of 2022, BlackRock manages a portfolio worth $8 trillion, which makes it the largest asset manager in the world. This success is due to Aladdin, an AI-powered platform that was overseeing $21 trillion in 2020, with users like Vanguard, Apple, Google, and Microsoft. AI provides financial businesses and investors with valuable insights from massive and complex data sets that were previously unavailable. This data includes reports, news feeds, and books analyzed from multiple perspectives. With AI, investors can now buy stocks, manage properties, and assess risks with exceptional clarity in real time and with high accuracy. AI is simply unbeatable in today's markets. Number 4. Healthcare. Since 2021, there has been a massive influx of over $13 billion into AI healthcare startups. This technology can change the game in diagnosing and treating patients by using health data, like blood tests and x-rays. It's even being used in complex processes, like cancer identification and treatment. AI is even being used in drug discovery, like the agreement between Atomwise and Sanofi, which includes a $20 million upfront payment and the possibility of $1 billion. Atomwise will be using its AI platform, AtomNet, to make the most of this opportunity. Number 5. AI art. The idea that human creativity is irreplaceable has been challenged in recent times. For example, an image created by AI won a prize at a Colorado art contest, and many people were unaware that it was not created by a human. OpenAI's AI tool GPT-3 is now available to the public, and anyone can create art using just a few words and a small amount of money. In fact, you can even get 50 free credits by signing up on their website. GPT-3 is said to be even more powerful than Google's AI tool. It's not just about creating pictures. AI can also create surreal moving art and even write fiction novels, poetry, pop, and classical music. It can also imagine what our future buildings and cities might look like. So, the question arises, do you still feel special about your creativity? Number 6. Text generation and manipulation. Language processing models have made impressive advancements recently. Some AI has even been said to surpass the Turing test. Google's Lambda model was so convincing that it made a former engineer believe it was sentient. GPT-3 is designed to generate human-like text, converting small inputs into articles, reports, tweets, and conversation. OpenAI has announced plans to release GPT-4. These models also have various applications, like language, understanding, automatic summarization, information extraction, word sense disambiguation, and machine translation. OpenAI has also released a multilingual translation model that can translate 100 languages without relying on English, unlike many other models. Additionally, there are many open source models available for experimentation. Number 7. Recommendation System. A recommendation system is a tool that helps suggest things you might like. It uses your past actions and preferences to guess what you'll enjoy and then make suggestions just for you. It's like having your own personal shopper or movie picker. The goal is to make your experience better by showing you things you're more likely to enjoy. Recommendation algorithms are everywhere, and companies like Google, Amazon, Facebook, Netflix, Tinder, and Spotify all use them. These algorithms work by analyzing the data you leave behind while using their platform. The result is a personalized experience that gives you what you want, whether it's search results, products, music, videos, or your next match on Tinder. It's all part of the plan to keep you engaged and interested. Who knows? These algorithms might even have a better understanding of you than you have of yourself. Number 8. Legal automation. AI is already making life easier for lawyers, judges, and all kinds of legal professionals. Even JP Morgan is using it to get information from their legal documents. Companies like Casetext, Logix, and ThoughtRiver are doing some pretty cool stuff in this area. Legal research can be a total pain, and lawyers are prone to making mistakes. But with AI, you can review a ton of legal data and make fewer mistakes. AI can even help predict court cases and give better risk assessments. Some people are even using AI to draft agreements like NDAs. But we're still figuring things out when it comes to using AI in the legal world. There's still work to be done to make sure it's not biased. Number 9. Facial recognition. Tech companies are using facial recognition to know your emotions towards advertisements and products in real time. Many of us already use facial recognition to unlock our iPhones, and other companies like Meta and Google are using it to suggest photo tags and group photos of people we've taken pictures of. While this technology has been useful for organizing our photos, it's becoming an issue as companies are starting to predict what we want before we even know ourselves. Number 10. Space exploration. NASA is teaming up with tech giants like Intel, IBM, and Google to bring AI into the world of space research. AI is already proving its worth by helping find asteroids, planets, and predicting solar outbursts. In fact, AI has helped discover 2 new planets so far, and the search is still on. The European Space Agency is even teaching AI to judge space junk all on its own. It's like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. The possibilities of AI in space exploration are endless. Number 11. IoT devices. The Internet of Things, IoT, market is predicted to be worth a huge $1.5 trillion by 2030. Big players like Amazon, Oracle, and Microsoft are already making a killing by using AI in their IoT applications. AI is making all sorts of devices smarter, like fitness trackers, smartwatches, remote monitoring systems, and asset tracking. And it's not just limited to one industry. IoT and AI are spreading their reach into healthcare, smart farming, supply chains, and even autonomous vehicles. IoT devices are becoming a common sight in our daily lives. Number 12. Conversational AI. Conversational AI is all about making machines able to talk to us like we're humans. It uses voice or text to understand what we're saying and respond in a way that feels natural. This tech is used for things like customer service, chatbots, virtual assistants, and voice assistants. The idea is to make our interactions with technology feel more human like and make communication smoother and more efficient. The conversational AI market is projected to reach 32.62 billion by 2030. You might be familiar with chatbots and virtual assistants like Alexa, Siri, Google Assistant, or Cortana. These technologies have the potential to revolutionize a variety of industries, from healthcare to banking to e-commerce. The unique aspect of conversational AI is that it can understand emotions and intent, making the interaction with technology more natural and engaging. It can be used for 24/7 customer support, to optimize sales through chatbots, to control smart devices in your home, or even for employee training and onboarding. In short, conversational AI has the power to streamline and enhance human-computer interactions across the board. Number 13, autonomous vehicles. We all know about Tesla and their self-driving cars. But more and more car companies are getting into the game. Baidu, General Motors, Nvidia, Ford, and even Google are all developing autonomous vehicles that use AI. AI is super important for making sure these cars are safe, so they test them in realistic scenarios. The AI software in the car takes information from places like Google Street View and in-car cameras to make decisions about driving. This can help lower accidents and make driving safer, but there's still a ways to go before we have fully self-driving cars. Even Stanford researchers say that the AI algorithms are getting better, but still need a little more fine-tuning. Number 14, robotics. Advanced robots wouldn't be where they are today without AI. That's why we have robots like Sophia, who can recognize faces and understand emotions and gestures. Sophia even made an NFT art piece that sold for almost 700 grand. But these AI robots can do way more than just that. There's humanoid robots like the ones from Boston Dynamics and Spot, the dog robot who can run super fast and even do parkour. And there are even industrial and medical robots that use AI to do top physical tasks that humans can't or shouldn't do. Number 15, cybersecurity. As everything becomes more digital, the risks we face also go up. But don't worry, AI is here to help. It can spot and deal with cyber threats way better than traditional software or manual processes ever could. By 2030, the market for AI cybersecurity products is expected to be worth a whopping $133.8 billion. These products include antivirus, anti-malware, fraud detection, and intrusion prevention systems. For instance, Gmail uses AI to sort through your emails. And just last October, Google put out a cool 6-part YouTube series about a complex security attack. If you're into this kind of thing, it's definitely worth a watch. Number 16, brain activity interpretation. The brain is super complex, with tons of neurons and connections that we can barely even imagine. But thanks to AI, we're getting better at understanding how it works. This has opened up new ways to treat Alzheimer's and dementia. By using AI to interpret brain activity, we can track changes and predict symptoms. Deep learning is being used to create brain-machine interfaces where we can control machines with our thoughts and even control prosthetic limbs or robots in a more natural way. Although using deep learning for brain activity interpretation is pretty new, it has some serious potential. And there you have it. These are the most fascinating ways the wealthy are cashing in on AI. We hope you learned a lot from this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you're always updated with our latest videos. See you later!